Hello, my name is Anthony, and in this video I'm going to be talking about how to solve this problem. Now, if you are one of our clients and you are having a WordPress website, you most likely have encountered an issue when trying to log in more recently. And the issue is that you go to the regular way you sign up or sign into your WordPress account, and you type in your domain name /wp-admin. And what you would get as when you load that is this. You get a forbidden. You do not have permission to access this resource. Now, this is an error that bugs people and they may be wondering why it's happening. So first I'm going to explain why it's happening and how you can fix it so that you stop having these issues moving forward. So let's begin. Now, let me first explain why this is happening. The reason why this is happening is because we have adjusted a few settings on our servers to help increase the security of the websites. Now, in the past, as you very well know, anybody can be able to access WP-admin. And if someone knows that this is a WordPress website, the easiest thing to do is just try to attempt to log in if you are curious. And if someone is more serious about trying to enter into your account, they can actually program a bot that would go to our website, go to the link that is obvious for all WordPress websites, which is WP-admin, and try to guess passwords. Now, it can probably do that multiple times, and the thing that this does is that it increases server loads within the server, which results in slower websites and more downtimes. So to resolve this, what we did is that we restricted the access of that particular URL, which is WP-admin, on any of our servers. So anyone who tries to access that automatically just gets this error that forbidden, you do not have permission to access this resource. Now, for you to stop encountering this error yourself, because well, you need to log in, you'll need to do a couple of things. Now, the first thing you need to do to resolve it is give us a call or contact us on our support line. Now, the best way to do that is just going to deepafrica.com and reach out to us on any of the support lines that you'll find there, or start a chat with us on this particular line. And the line would be like trying to start a chat with us. Let's say just click on start a chat and we should be able to assist you. Now, you will need to effect the following changes right away after you are ready, after you've completed this step. And so I'd want you to have a bit of time to be able to get this thing done by the time you're making this request. So what should the request be? Your request should be that I'm unable to log into my WordPress backend. Kindly allow my IP so that I'm able to access my WordPress backend. And so how do you get to tell your IP? The way you tell your IP is just go to what is my IP. Just type that on Google. It should be able to give you what is your IP. So this address that you get here is your IP address. So as you're making the request, make sure that you go to what is my IP and then log into that, and should be able to get you your public IP and give that. Now, I'll have to warn you that if you are using something like Safaricom data or Airtel data, it's most likely that you're going to encounter that this IP changes. It will change after a while because you are with what is called a dynamic IP. And so that's the reason I'm saying that once you start making this request, make sure you're able to effect it right away, continue with the next steps right away. It may take you at most 15 minutes of your time. So have about 15 minutes ready to be able to work on this, and be ready to work on it from a computer, because it's best to work on it from a computer rather than from your phone. So once you've given your IP address, we will be able to confirm to you that we have allowed your IP to be able to access WP-admin, and that then will lead you to your website. And the regular place, you'll just go normally, the way you normally go, WP-admin, your site, and you should come to a place that looks exactly like this. It may have a few things different because your site is different from what I'm having here, but most of the layout should be the same. So the next thing you need to do is go to plugins, add new, click on add new, because you want to add a plugin that changes the login address. And the login address right now being WP-admin, you want to change that to something else. So you want to come and type hide there. You just wait for it to bring in the results. And the plugin that I would advise that you install, now there are many plugins that allow you to hide what your login address is, but the one that I would personally recommend would be WPS hide login. So click on install now, and then click on activate. So once you've activated that, you'll be brought to the plugins page where you can click on settings. Now, in case probably you don't come here, the other place you can find it is on settings, WP hide login. So clicking this and clicking this takes you to the same place. So in my case, let me just click on the second one that I talked about. And then you'll be brought here. So this is the place where it's going to bring you. Now it's going to tell you, it's going to be recommending what do you want the login URL to be. Now I'd advise that you change it to something that will be memorable for you. So for instance, for me, I probably would do listing login. You can make it yours. Yours can be anything, just something unique and you'll be able to remember. So for, let's say mine, I'm going to state it as listing login. I'm clicking on savings. You probably won't see save changes on my screen because it's hidden by my face, but I'm sure you can see yours there. And as you can see, that is the new address. Now you'll notice something that this address has been saved. listing.io.ke/listing login is my new address, and it's saying please bookmark this page so that you don't forget it. So make sure you save this address because it's the new one that you're going to be logging into, and we can test it out and see. So if we logged out of our account, you'll notice that let's say we were just minding our merry business. The way to log in, if we tried WP-admin, it would not work. It shows that, but if you do listing login, so my domain.com or my domain /listing login, it presents this, and you can continue using your WordPress account as you have in the past. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please click the like button if you liked this video, and subscribe because we create this kind of content and you don't want to miss it out just in case we publish something new. Thank you so much for coming by, and I wish you a great day. Until next time, bye.